Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. And in this video, I'll guide you through how to use dual apps or clone apps on your device. Follow all the steps carefully to create and manage duplicate apps properly. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. Now let's begin.